Hey everyone, I wanted to give a quick update. Got some things going on. So we just got back from a trip over Labor Day weekend to Iowa to see family. Prudence drove really good. We pulled the car behind us and we didn't have any issues. At least that we knew of, at least till we got there. So let's take a look at where the Prudence is now. Okay, so as we head in, I did get the barricade there at the front of the bus done. That is pallet wood and black gas pipe. It worked pretty well. The floor was finished, except for the area that is going to have a box around the base of those chairs. The couch is out, of course. The ceiling is complete from one end to the other with the speakers installed. You will see the hatches open here on the ladder. We'll talk about that in a minute. The compost toilet is finished and usable. We did buy the wrong size bags, but that has been corrected. The dresser is in, and of course the bedroom is done where we left this before. But like I said, we did run into issues, and so let's go up top and talk about those. So you will see that the solar panel rack has been removed. Okay, so when we got to Iowa, we noticed that the rack had broke in a couple of places, one side on the passengers and then two on the driver's side. I appreciate my cousin Casey doing some welding so we could get home. But since then I have got everything removed. The 4x4s are off. The solar panels are stacked up over there. Off to the side, we do see the pieces to our new roof rack. So these are the same black pipe, but the difference this time is that instead of 6-inch risers like we had currently, or previously, the 6-inch risers here, and then the 4x4s sat about 4 inches off the center of the bus here. Those are 2-inch risers, and the supports that run across will actually sit right here on these ribs across the center of the bus. So they will be supported in the center, and there won't be a lot of weight on the outside. The other thing I think that hurt is if you look at these rails, they are at just a slight angle, and so the weight of the rack actually was pushing them out. Okay, so that will all be addressed. The pieces are all painted. I'm waiting for dry, sunny days so I can get those installed. And of course I have to remove this pipe. So let's go back down and look at some other things. So if we look in the garage, we'll see some changes in here. When we went to Iowa, we had 2 lithium 12-volt batteries installed. Just before we left, my new inverter charger came. It was a 24-volt system. So one of the first things I did when we got back is got the other 2 lithium batteries in, got them all wired into series and parallel. So we have 2 300 amp hour batteries at 24 volts. I pulled out the 12-volt inverter that was here. It powered the little refrigerator we've got, but it was not going to do the job for anything bigger. I also added in a 24 to 12 volt converter. So the 12 volt system is all back online. So let's talk a little bit about my new inverter slash charger. So it was in here. It is not. That is the other thing I am struggling with. So let's go take a look. What I ordered was the Sun Gold Power Pure Sine Wave 3000 watt inverter charger. It came just before we left, so it sat in the box. It is very heavy. You see it sitting here. I think it is actually just a rebranded Ames, but the documentation is abysmal, and I took the time to mount this inverter charger. I hooked up just the batteries, no load, and turned it on, and all I get was overload warnings. I searched high and low for support documentation, and I got none. So I have reached out to Amazon for a refund on this. It was a pricey device that pretty much came dead. In its stead, I have ordered a separate 3000 watt inverter, not a charger, and that should come this week, and we will get that installed, and I will show you that when that's done. Okay, so that's where we are. The trip was fantastic. It was great to see family and friends and be someplace where it just felt normal.
Hey, you, Missy.
Is that where you looked it into?
That's pretty cool, isn't it?
It looked like you in there.
Hi. Brandon, look at the camera. No, I don't look at cameras. Come back. Oh my God, wait, I want to see how
It is recording, so you know. Jordan!
those are going on the freezer.
What do you want it?
Here, let me take one.
Front.
That's why it looks like saying a yoga ball.
That's Maddie.
Yeah. Hi.
I'm gonna go higher.
You're gonna have to have some dry.
Go shield hunting all
This is
the
how
time.
you say glasses in
And so he
Spanish.
brought some that weren't
Mis
broke
lentes.
open yet. And then he let the kids pick which one they wanted.
Hurts on
And then he broke them open for them. And
Oh, really?
These are cute.
Oh, wow,
I
that's
think it'd be
cool.
awesome to go try and
Yep. Try it again. That was pretty good. I am recording.
Wait, do the wah thing. Okay?
Wait. Ah!
Me?
Yeah.
Ah!
Yeah, you got two. You got a.
Ah!
Hi.
I wasn't ignoring you guys. I didn't get over this far.
Ooh, Riley, what color?
I already got one.
No, thank you.
I'll take. I think the real light ones. These are pina colada.
Help your aunt Jane.
Look at him! Wait, turn your head.
Well, I wanted to get it for the camera.
He looks like some weird super. She knows more Spanish than I do,
Ow!
for sure.
I like your shirt.
Oh, thank you. It's got like a paisley pattern on it.
A what?
That's called paisley.
How do
Just
you
like your cousin.
Here, I'll show you her shirt.
There you go. There's one.
I wonder what is going on today.
I think there's a celebration. I think there's a lot of things we're celebrating.
Yeah, and I think it's actually actually kind of warm outside and not raining.
Oh, I know. It's sunny and beautiful. Look.
Hey, you know what? I think I hear someone cutting a tree down.
What are they doing?
I think I hear someone cutting a tree down.
Really? Maybe they're going to bring you some firewood.
Maybe.
Do you think your grandpa will start a fire tonight?
Maybe.
Making our move. Come back, kids.
Rice has been funny tonight.
Right? Kenosha has been kind of crazy. We've been in the news lately. You probably all know that. But it was nice to see family. I will see everybody again Memorial Day weekend. This time we are traveling down to Wichita for Memorial Day weekend. And then Labor Day weekend we'll be back in Waterloo again. So we're looking forward to that trip. Between now and then, you know, Paula and I just got married, and with the semester starting, there was no time for a honeymoon. So we are going to go in a couple of weeks here, and so hopefully the inverter's in and the solar panels are back on. But we are going to take a trip up to northern Minnesota. I won't say where, but you will see some video and some pictures from there. And hopefully we will see some fantastic fall colors. And just get away and relax and unwind. I don't think we're going to be doing boondock camping, but we will be state parks, RV parks, things like that. So that's the update for what's going on. Remember, travel, explore, and live life to its fullest.